Hey everyone, sorry you can't see my face. My face cam isn't working today. And if you can't hear the computer sounds, I apologize for that. And like and subscribe on this video and leave a comment on what games on Roblox you like, and I might do some of them. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not gonna edit these because I am new to doing this. So, just like and subscribe, please. Thank you for watching this video, and this is my first time ever doing a video like this in Roblox, and my brother's channel you can go check out if you want to. Oh. Ugh. Okay. That wasn't a very good run, but this is only my first time playing this, so don't get mad at me. And my brother is playing he's playing Roblox too. And my friend Noah is over. So, if you want to go check out his channel, if he makes one, I will tell you the name of his channel in another video. So, right now I need to focus on this, please. Ah, not sad. We didn't make it. So, well, that is a cool trace. Cool skins. Oh, and in case you didn't see my skin, that's what it looks like. So, if you guys want to get Roblox, it's free, and I will try to find out how to put the link in the description below, so you guys can easily get there. Hope you guys have a lot of fun playing, and thank you for watching this. It means so much to me. Well, that completes this little video. Sorry that wasn't that long, but hope you guys have a good rest of the week. See ya. Bye.